welcome to your channel Cook with Komal. If you didn't subscribe my channel yet, please go and subscribe first. So today we are going to make chicken potato croquettes. So here I have 400 grams of boiled and mashed potatoes, 400 grams of chicken which is shredded, 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder, 1 medium or 2 to 3 small onions chopped, 5 to 7 green chilies chopped, 1 teaspoon red chili flakes, half cup of mayonnaise, 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, 2 eggs, half cup of milk, and salt to taste or salt 1 teaspoon. Now we heat up the oil and add onions. We will fry it till it gets succulent. We will add the chicken. Now add green chilies, chili flakes, and salt. Mix it well. Mix it well. Add all-purpose flour. Now we will add the milk. Now we will stir it till it gets dry completely. Now turn off the flame and let it cool. Set aside. Take a bowl. Then we will add the mashed potatoes. Transfer it. Then add black pepper powder. Now we have to take 2 yolks. There are 2 eggs. We will take only 2 yolks, only yellow part of the egg. 1, and 2. Mix it properly. You can make 16 croquettes like this. Now we will freeze it, and you can freeze it up to 1 month. I'm gonna freeze it for 2 hours, then I'll fry it. Now we will fry it. Fry it for 2 minutes each side. So our croquettes are ready, and this is our final look of chicken potato croquettes. I hope you like this recipe. If you did, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe my channel. That really means a lot to me. We'll meet you in another video with some new recipe. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz.